Welcome to ST Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about EAMCET rank calculator, EAMCET result, and important documents that are required for EAMCET Counseling 2020. For more information, let us watch the video. Let us put some light on EAMCET rank calculator. Most of the students, they have a doubt how to calculate EAMCET rank. EAMCET rank is calculated based on 25% of IPE marks and 75% of EAMCET marks. Let us see what are the marks for IPE. The total marks of IPE is 600. The total marks of EAMCET is 160. The marks of IPE is based on Mathematics 1A 75 marks, 1B 75 marks, Physics 60 marks, Chemistry 60 marks, and Mathematics 2A 75 marks, Mathematics 2B 75 marks, Physics 2 60 marks, Chemistry 2 60 marks. And for practical marks of both Physics and Chemistry is 30-30. This is a brief explanation of 600 marks of IPE. Now let us see the EAMCET marks. Mathematics total 80 marks. The 80 question will ask from mathematics. Physics 40 marks. The total question will ask 40, and each question carries 1 marks. Chemistry total question is 40 and the marks of chemistry is 40. Let us see IPE 25% marks calculation. Most of the students, they have a doubt how to calculate 25% marks of an IPE to get a good marks in EAMCET. For example, total marks scored in an IPE, that is multiplied with 25 divided by 600. For example, a student has secured 400 marks out of 600, that is multiplied with 25 and divided by 600, that equals to 16.67. This is a brief explanation of 25% marks of an IPE. Let us see how to calculate 75% marks of an EAMCET. The total marks score is multiplied with 75 and divided by 160. For example, a student has scored 85, that is multiplied with 75 and divided by 160. The total marks is 37.5. Let us see how to calculate combined total. Most of the students, they ask how to calculate combined total. We know that the combined total will decide our rank. The rank is totally based on combined total. How to calculate combined total of an EAMCET? 75% marks of an EAMCET added to 25% marks of an IPE. If we add 75% marks, for example, the student here, he has scored 75% marks, that is 37.5. That is a 75% marks, and 25% marks calculation, he got 16.67. The combined total of this particular student is 54.17. This is a brief explanation of how the combined total of an EAMCET is calculated. On this basis, a rank is calculated. Let us see how a rank is calculated on the basis of combined total. After calculating the combined total, let us see how a rank is calculated. The rank is calculated on the basis of two categories. One is rank and the combined total. For example, if a student wants to secure a rank between 1 to 100, the combined total should be 96.43 to 89.43. If a student wants to secure a rank between 100 to 1000, his combined total should be 89.43 to 78.07. If a student wants to secure a rank in between 1000 to 10,000, the combined total should be 78.07 to 61.08. If he wants a rank between 10,000 to 50,000, that is 61.08 to 47.19, 50,000 to 1 lakh, 1 lakh to 1 lakh 50,000, and 1 lakh 50,000 to 2 lakh 5,000. This is a brief explanation. On the basis of combined total, a rank is calculated. As you all done with your exams of EAMCET, all students are eagerly waiting to get the results. When the result will arrive? As published by the JNTU, the result will be announced on 1st October or 3rd October. Let us put some light on documents required for EAMCET Counseling 2020. The first is TS MSET rank card, TS MSET hall ticket. If the student is from AP, they can get AP MSET rank card or AP MSET hall ticket. The third one is Aadhaar card. Fourth is SSC memo. Fifth is intermediate memo. Sixth is bona fide certificate, that is study certificate issued by the both school and colleges. Seventh is transfer certificate. Eighth one is income certificate. This is mostly required document for counseling. On this base, you will get the fee reimbursement. Ninth one is caste certificate. Caste certificate is SC, ST, BCE, BCA, BCB. 10th is PH, CAP, NCC sports certificates, if any. If you are NCC student or you are playing sports from the state or from the district, you can get the certificate. Then the last one is residential certificate for non-local student. Residential certificate is only required for non-local student. The important note for the student is 2 Xerox set must be carried out of all the above listed certificate along with the original certificates. Thanks for watching, and to never miss our videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified and smash that like button.